This is the unboxing of the Icon Premium Creeper Black, SKU number 58588 from Harbor Freight. These are about $90 at Harbor Freight. I went to 4 different ones and finally had to find this in Duncanville yesterday when I was in Dallas area. So it just comes with a little bit of foam to keep it from shifting in the package, and in a clear plastic bag. Do all this one-handed. There we go. I like that it's got this handle built into it. This is lightly padded down here. Icon Premium Creeper, 37 inches long, 400-pound weight capacity. It's got a nice headrest on it. These are magnets, so you can attach lights. These are magnetic trays. They're kind of small to put wrenches in, but screws and stuff. Then you've got 2 trays on each side, or 1 on each side that's not magnetized. I'm going to compare this to my Craftsman number 51158. I've had this one for about 20 years, but it broke. This is just press board. I just went to sit on the edge of it, and it snapped a couple of days ago, so I've been looking to get a new creeper. You can see how long I've had it. The wheels are pretty tore up. We'll compare the size of the Craftsman next to the Icon. It's a lot wider. I'm 6'2", 200 pounds. So I'm not that big by any means, but I do like that you got more room, because I always slide off of this, or my back always hits the rails. And looks like this one sits a little bit taller than that one. Hopefully you can get down lower underneath stuff. The headrests look pretty close to the same height. But there you go. There's a comparison with the Icon Premium Creeper, 37 inches long, with the traditional Creeper. They sell these Pittsburgh at Harbor Freight, Craftsman. I'm sure they're all manufactured by the same company. It's probably about a $40 Creeper. Again, it's lasted me 20 years on concrete like this. When you roll it on the rubber mats, it's nice and smooth. There you go.